students, hope you are safe and healthy. Welcome back to online session of EVS 1 lesson number 6 variety in food. Try this. We use the vegetables and grains bought from the market to prepare the different dishes in our meals. Find out which grains and vegetables does your family buy from the market. We buy grains such as rice, wheat, jawar, bajra, and vegetables like potato, tomato, cauliflower, cabbage, etc. Make a table of the different dishes prepared from the different grains or vegetables at home. Take an example of rice. From rice, we can prepare many dishes such as bhakri, idli, dosa, rice, modak, and much more. You will realize that various dishes can be made from the same ingredients. Even when there is a variety in the dishes, the basic ingredient remains the same. In the example above, we saw various preparations of rice. Note that there is diversity in the food items of the different states of our country. In every region, there is one staple food. What is the reason for that? Crop grown in a region determine the diet of the people in that region. The main crop grown in that region is used to prepare most of the dishes and determines the staple food. Thus, in every region, there is one staple food. Why does the staple food of people vary according to the region? The main crop grown in a region becomes the staple food of that region. Crops grown in that region are determined by the varied climate and soil conditions. Hence, the staple food of people varies according to the region. Dear student, study the map given and observe the distribution of food crops in the country. Study how the distribution of crops varies in the different regions. Now tell me which food crop is grown on a large scale in the coastal regions? Yes, rice. Next, which food crops are grown in North India? Yes, wheat, which is the major food crop grown in the central region. Here we can see two crops such as wheat and jawar. Rice is grown on a large scale in the southern part of India. Why is this so? Because rice crops demands temperature of around 25 degrees Celsius and above and rainfall of more than 100 centimeter. Agriculture is the main occupation in all parts of our country. It is mainly dependent on rainfall. The rainfall received in all regions is not the same. In regions of high rainfall, crops such as rice, coconut, ragi, and varai are grown. Wheat, tur, and soybean are grown in regions of moderate rainfall. Jawar, bajra, and moth beans are grown in regions of low rainfall. To help crops to grow well, good seeds, fertile soil, sufficient sunlight, and water are needed. According to the seasons, a variety of grains, fruits, and vegetables are grown in our country. When we visit a fruit seller, we see many fruits like banana, apple, watermelon, grapes, pineapple, orange, etc. Can you tell which fruits are sold all year round? Apple, banana, papaya, guava. pomegranate. Which fruits are not available in the rainy season? Orange, grapes, watermelon, chiku, strawberry, mangoes, etc. are not available in rainy season. Which fruits are sold in summer? Mangoes, orange, grapes, watermelon, pineapple, etc. are sold in summer. In which season fruits are available in plenty? In monsoon, fruits are available in plenty. In which season do we get fewer fruits? During autumn season, we get fewer fruits.